My name is Leo Tao. I'm 7th grade, and this is my project for Unity 2. All right, this project was inspired by Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers is like this really fun game, and I used a lot of assets in my game to make what I wanted to happen in my game. Yeah. All right. I used a lot of stuff in this class to create my game. I used C# scripting and components. C C# scripting it was important in my game. Um, and C# scripting is basically like a coding engine, is a coding language. And one code I used was on collision enter, which when on collision, when you touch something, it does the thing you want to like put in there. The thing you put in there, it does it. Components are factors added to assets, which makes like most of your game. Assets are like most of your game. This includes rigid bodies, which brings like physics and gravity to your game, to your asset, which are used in your game. All right. All right, so on collision was the code I just talked about. So this is a code example of it. And this is transform position. This code moves your asset. The code like you put on your asset. This code moves your asset. Like as you see on the beginning, it says if input get key code A. Key code A. If you press A, it moves like left. If you press D, it moves right. Yeah, that's basically it. This is a demo of my game. All right, so this is my game, and yeah, this is like a Subway Surfers game. So as you can see, the character moves around with D and A, and you move and dodge these obstacles. If you touch one of these obstacles, it says game over. And that's a quick brief presentation of my game. Yep. My favorite part about this project was the coding. It's my favorite because it required the most thinking and wisdom. And this is the code in full scale. Sorry, in full. This is like the code in full scale. Yeah, you see, like in the text, back, stuff like that. All right, if I were to continue work on this project, I would like add a bigger game, longer side, and better assets. This would have made my game more smooth, easier to play. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Well done. Well done. Good job.